Here's Clayton, laying in his rocker. You can see him, he's kicking his feet. Say hi, Clay. Oh, let's watch you. Should we watch ya? Hi, Pepper. Can you kick those feet? Yeah, there you go. Kick those feet. Yeah, look at you go. Oh my gosh, kicking your feet, hitting your toys. Yeah, good job. Carsey's gonna come say hi to you. Okay, Cars, that's enough. Yeah, you wanna give him kisses? Give Clayton kisses. Hi, buddy. Can you kick your feet for Mommy one more time? Yeah, kick your feet. Oh, nice job. That was a good hit. Good job, buddy. Hi, Cars. Now say goodbye. Clayton. There he is, my big boy. Yeah, there you go. Good job.